So it's still breakfast?
Yes.
Oh. Can I have the egg? What is egg? No.
Lunch is served 1 p.m. Yeah.
And what is this? Follow chicken cream sauce. I want egg. Can you pour me the egg? Put with the vegetable you have?
Sorry?
Mix with the vegetable? No?
Vegetables?
Yeah, together with the eggs.
Egg scrambled with vegetables.
Yeah, scrambled egg with the vegetable like onion, tomato.
Okay. Onion, tomato? I have onion, tomato, pepper, ham, spinach, and mushroom.
Yeah, with the eggs.
All? Okay, there we go.
Because it's still breakfast.
The break. One egg or two?
I want two.
Two?
Yes, please. Breakfast pa eh. Breakfast pa yung siniserve nila. Alangan eh. So, itlog na lang. Itlog na lang sa akin kasi breakfast pa eh. Mamaya para heavy, ano. Yeah. Yeah. And tomato. Oh, you got already?
Tomato?
Yeah, I want mushroom.
Pero esos que están aquí en servicio, ¿a qué temperatura deben estar? O sea, si por ejemplo tratamos temperatura de la con un poquito de carne está mal.
No, debe estar
Kasi breakfast pa to eh. Kasi sabi nga niya, in 10 minutes mag-serve na ng ano, din niya, lunch. Pero hindi siguro, mga 2 o'clock siguro. Kasi di ba, 6 o'clock nag-start yung dinner.
Can you tell me your plate? Thank you.
Si me da 50, ¿está bien o está mal?
Time is the lunch.
¿Cómo estamos?
Sorry? Lunch time. The lunch started at 1 o'clock.
Oh, malapit na. Thank you. Guys, now gagawa ako ng toasted bread. Yan ang aking breakfast. Yan ang aking toasted bread. Nasa kuloon. At lalabas siya dito sa baba. Okay guys, because I'm stressed, this is my first breakfast in the hotel. Egg and toast, that's all, because I'm really stressed. I wanna cry so bad. Okay guys, let's go have a breakfast. Okay guys, now this is what happened. They booked already the flight. That's the reason why my daughter, she is still in the airport in Toronto and I'm in Cancun. Now I'm making the concern later so that she can come with Ate Mary Jane. So I'm doing here now guys. Okay, so I'm trying my best to do that. Anyway, it's too much, so I gonna try myself to do this. Okay guys. Okay guys, dahil nag-isa tayo ngayon, dito tayo. Magsukosi muna tayo dahil wala tayong kasama, wala pa sila. Ako'y nag-iisa ngayon dito sa aming hotel. Ayan. Babad tayo dyan, okay? Hi guys. Ayan. Babad tayo.